Your hot water lasts 10 minutes, but it used to last much longer. That change is the clue. Either demand has increased, the tank is storing less usable heat, or part of the heater is no longer working. Begin with timing. If hot water disappears only when showers, laundry, and the dishwasher run close together, demand may simply be exceeding the tank's capacity and recovery rate. If the first shower runs cold unusually quickly, check the temperature at another faucet. Lukewarm water everywhere can indicate an incorrect thermostat setting or a mixing valve problem. Don't raise the temperature excessively. Hotter settings increase the risk of scalding. On a standard electric tank, a failed lower heating element can leave only the upper portion hot. The result feels normal at first, but the available hot water disappears rapidly. Testing or replacing an element involves electrical hazards and is best handled by someone qualified. Sediment accumulation can reduce efficiency and usable capacity, especially when accompanied by popping or rumbling sounds. A broken dip tube can also mix incoming cold water near the top of the tank, cooling the outgoing water sooner than expected. If the heater is correctly sized but recovers much more slowly than before, its element, burner, thermostat, or sediment level needs inspection. How long does your hot water last before turning cold? Comment below and include whether your heater is gas or electric.